the east side of the bridge of Pocket Basin, and you have this just quite half a mile of volcanoes and spots. This is the end of summer, so you can imagine these. What?